Imagine this, it's quiet, but you hear a sound that's not really there. A ringing, buzzing, hissing, high-pitched and endless. If that's you, you're not alone. It's called tinnitus, and while it feels overwhelming, there are ways to manage it. And yes, even stop it for some. So what exactly is tinnitus? It's not a disease. It's a symptom, a signal, your brain's response to missing, damaged, or misfiring sound input, often caused by loud noise exposure, ear infections, stress, or even tight jaw muscles. It's your brain filling in silence with static. And here's the truth. While there's no universal cure yet, people do find relief. Real relief. Here's how. First, protect your ears. Sounds obvious, but every loud noise makes it worse. Earbuds blasting music, clubs, power tools with no protection? That's gasoline on the fire. Lower the volume. Use earplugs. Treat your ears like gold. Next, retrain your brain. It's called sound therapy. Background sounds like white noise, nature sounds, soft music, these help your brain ignore the ringing. Over time, your mind learns to tune it out. Just like how you stop noticing a fan after a while. Stress makes tinnitus louder. Every time your anxiety spikes, so does the ringing. So breathe, meditate, move your body, journal. The calmer you are, the quieter it feels. It's not just in your head, your nervous system is deeply connected to how you hear it. Now let's talk body. Jaw tension, neck pain, poor posture. These can all worsen tinnitus. Get a massage. Try gentle stretches. Fix your sitting posture. You'd be shocked how many people reduce their tinnitus just by loosening their neck and jaw muscles. Diet matters too. Caffeine, sugar, alcohol, these spike blood flow and inflammation, which can amplify that buzzing. Try cutting back and notice what changes. Some people feel instant improvement just by tweaking their daily habits. And then there's tech. Tinnitus maskers, hearing aids, neuromodulation devices. Science is evolving. New treatments are coming. Talk to an ENT, audiologist, or tinnitus specialist. You don't have to figure this out alone. And if you feel hopeless, please don't. So many people live full, happy lives with tinnitus or get rid of it entirely. It takes patience, but your brain is powerful. Neuroplasticity is real. You can rewire the way your body experiences sound. So, one more time, yes, that ringing is real, but it doesn't define you. You're not broken. You're not alone. And you are absolutely capable of taking back control. If this gave you a little hope, comment ring off below, follow for more real tools and support, and remember, silence may seem lost but peace is still possible.